if you look seriously, you'll realize that if we have one of us, ophuma eceleni, asimncengi, let me just tell you, abantu sebeke baba o-secretary general kule, sebe u-7 manje, ngoba sidlali. Noma ngabe uzazi ukuthi umkhulu, uyathandwa, uyikho konke, we don't care. We talk about our party. Laba bala kule party, abathi mabebona umuntu engasebenzi sikhuluma lesazi ukuthi kwenze njani noma eneyinkinga noma onile. Ebese sithi awusuke. Akekho umuntu odala ukuthi uyohlala esikhundleni kuyozangena ezulwini. Ayikho lonto. Akuyona indaba yakho if you don't know. Ozubuza ukuthi kwenze njani. Kunabantu abaze bathi bafuna ukulokhuza ukuprotesta ngoba sithatha idecision ethile. Kusho ukuthi ayikakheki le party le. Ayikakheki ngalendlela esifuna ngayo. Nginitshela impela. Nani nivuma impela nize nixoxe indaba nibhale ngayo. Yini yona le sifuna inkululeko la. Asivikeli umuntu. Sikhuluma nomonke umuntu la. Nalabo esathi kuqala bahambe azange sibaxoshe. Wayihambela ngoba kwakunezinto ezirong. Singafuni ukubaphoxa. Sitsheni isizwe ukuthi bonini. Ngoba iningi labo loneli kukhulu. Manje wayi bese ningena indaba eningayazi. Aniyona high command. Aniyona high command. I-high command okufanele ukuthi ikhulume indaba zalenhlangano. Kowenza kahle nongenzi kahle. Kowenza inkinga nongenzi inkinga. Akuyona indaba yawenu le sengitshena.
Hi, Bazalabamzito. That is President of the MK Party and former President of South Africa, Mr. Jacob Zuma, announcing that yena ngeke aza kukhona ukuncenga uFloyd Shivambu. UFloyd Shivambu owaye Deputy President of the EFF and later joined the MK Party. Then he became the SG of the party. So we know that Pumagaga Floyd MK or him being removed as an SG is something that shocked a lot of people because we really thought MK uzohlala abe into right, and a lot of people did warn Floyd to know what you are doing is the baddest decision ever, and what we are doing, the move that we are taking, uzo regret. There are also allegations that Floyd Shivambu did write a letter to President of EFF, which is Mr. Julius Malema, utufuna ukubuyela EFF, but EFF rejected that letter. Mr. Malema did respond, no, what we do not want anything that has to do with Floyd, which is understandable, guys. Last year after Floyd resigned, and remember, Floyd didn't just destroy his political career, but he also destroyed the political career of Dotandlos, because he told Dotandlos, because I'm thinking of resigning on EFF. Then when Marasa resigned, Wachelu Malimu, to know what? Mina bengisengimtshelile uNdlozi, as if it's something that they have discussed. Can't you know? UNdlozi, I did understand Mara states of podcast and choose. You know what? I couldn't tell Malima because that is something that Floyd was never decided. It's something that bekayicabanga. So it is understandable ukuthi you cannot ukuthi ibrother yakho mayihlebele inkinga zakhe then utshele lo munye. Understand? Kuzobe ngathi uyacabanisa. Applied. I do feel sorry for Floyd. Mara yena ayakwini as a president EFF ishilo Malema yena ayakwini bekayofunani ku-MK because there are a lot of allegations guys about the MK party, allegations that it's a family party, is allegations that also saying the party is opened for uDuduzile Zuma, which is idaughter yaka Mr. Zuma. Mr. Zuma is very old, guys. Look at the guy. Yes, and at the time I president of the country, a lot of things did happen, and a lot of people, they felt as if leadership yaka Zuma, it was way better than Gule Ramaphosa. But do I believe that? No, just because I just feel as if leadership Ramaphosa ibe nezimo eziningi ezishakayo, like the COVID thing is something that even Zuma, the guy president, be beyond control, that because it was something that it was not happening in South Africa, it was into economy worldwide. So there was nothing that yena bangayenza. Yes, there are a lot of things azenza esisibuzayo to know what this thing is wrong, but I don't believe ukuthi uRamaphosa ungcono kunoZuma or uZuma ungcono kunoRamaphosa. Because if you check the economy of the country, guys, for me, it's still taking. Maybe good now unemployment rate ikhupha each and every day, and even that time on Zuma days beyikhuphuka kanjalo, guys. Let's just be fair. But bazalwane bami, you can comment down below your thoughts, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification button. Nginethanda ukuya nokubuya.